Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. It's been a while since I had a declutter video, so this is my first declutter video in a long time, and there are many more to come. It's very hard for me to start this video because I wasn't sure if I was going to share it with you. But anyway, take 12 guys. Okay, here we go. A few weeks ago my mom got diagnosed with COVID, and 8 days later she passed away. She's just gone. And it's so insane. It all happened so quickly. My mom got COVID. How? Anyway, please stay safe everyone. So anyway, I had planned to declutter her attic before this summer. I have lots of stuff in her attic that was from my stamping studio. Again, I have lots of stuff in the attic, in my mom's attic, that is from my Stample studio. And Stample studio, that's in Dutch. It means stamping studio, and it was my store. I had a stamping store. And 8 years ago I stopped the store, but I still had lots of stuff, you know, from when I went to craft fairs and stuff, and I wanted to use them to go to other craft fairs just to sell my handmade items. So she said, just put it in my attic and just figure out what you want to do, and then, you know, either take it away or, you know, just figure out what you want to do. So after years and years I figured out I can't do craft fairs anymore because of my physical problems. I can't stand too long. I just can't do it. So anyway, that took a long time, and it was very nice to have that stuff in the attic, in my mom's attic, so I didn't have to deal with it every time I went upstairs in my own attic. And but you know how that goes. Then I had some suitcases that I didn't have space for. She said, just put them in the attic. And well, I had a little corner in her attic where I had some stuff. But over the years it became a lot of stuff. So I had planned to declutter all of that before the end of this summer, actually before the summer started. But there was someone put a bed over there, so I couldn't reach it. I was just asking my son, shall we just put the bed somewhere else and then I can get started? But you know how that goes. So it didn't happen, but I planned it, so that was quite a lot. But anyway, the boxes in my living room, in my kitchen, I was very proud that I had, you know, it was a wall of boxes with a wall of boxes in front of that. I had decluttered it so that there was just one wall of boxes. The wall in front of it was gone. So that was really nice. So I was just beginning to think, shall I just start decluttering a bit more when all of this happened? So I didn't. And actually, my son and I have been up in my mom's attic for a few days, decluttering, sorting through stuff, getting rid of a lot of my old store stuff, and donating a lot of stuff. But there's also a lot of stuff. How often have I said stuff? There's also a lot of stuff still that I still need to go through. Like old collections, like stuff from my stamping store, lots of creative stuff that I still had there. My workshop boxes, I had workshop boxes for when I did, when I did my craft fairs. I had boxes for workshops. They were still up there, so we sorted through a lot, but there's still a lot to be sorted through that I wanted to do at home. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I have in my kitchen now. Okay, I'm glad I did this because I wasn't sure if I was gonna share this with you, but yeah. Well, here you go. Let's just get started. Okay, we're back in the kitchen. Guys, this is the wall of boxes that you're so familiar with. I've been decluttering this for, what is it, 2 years now? And I had, you know, it was just a wall of boxes with one set of boxes. And then I had some boxes in front of it. But we had the cat over here. She loves sitting over here, high up. So that was what I had, yeah, just a few weeks ago. Now, I have all of this to declutter. Oh my gosh. So this is what we got from my mom's attic. Wait, let me go to the other side, because there's still stuff over here and over here. I have a brand new... Yeah, this is a bag from something I don't know how to explain in English, so I'll just show you in a second. It is a bag that you can put on this thing. It's a little shopping cart you can just pull behind you, and when you get tired, there's a chair over here you can sit on. It was in the attic, and I had completely forgotten about it. Wait a minute. Because now I'm in a wheelchair. I bought this, and then I came at the point where I couldn't really walk that far anymore, so I had no use for it because someone pushed me around in a wheelchair. So I still have this thing brand new, and I really want to sell it. Then I have boxes and boxes and boxes of stuff. So there are these. This is my frog collection. It says kikker in Dutch. And this is craft supplies. These are supplies from my stamping store. And here I even have this one. I couldn't get rid of this. Look at it, how pretty. Wait. Look how pretty this is. This is the logo of my stamping store, Stempel Studio. And yeah. Anyway, I have no more stamping studio. So I decided it was time to let go of all of this stuff. So in here there are lots of papers. It's just ATCs, guys. I can make a lot of ATCs. And there's a little critter in there. Ew. Okay. And over here you have stamps. I've still got lots of stamps to sell. And you know, there's a workshop box. I have this. Oh my gosh. This is what I'm gonna do today. This is my administration. Is now my bookkeeping. How do you say that? These are my books with all the... I don't know how to say that in English. This is my whole administration of my Stempel Studio. This is 8 years worth of receipts and stuff. I have to go through this. This can all go, luckily. So I'm just going to take it out of the plastic and out of the binders and just get rid of it. But it's a lot to do. And I want to do this today. So then, hopefully, this will be gone. Look at it. It's so much. And then over here I have suitcases. I have no idea where to put them. I really have no idea. So they're probably going to go to Tim. My daughter has a new house, so she's gonna move pretty soon. Then he has a bit more room because my daughter lives with my son at the moment. And then I can put these in his attic. These are suitcases the whole family can use, so he doesn't mind. Phew, because we didn't know what to do with it. It's gonna be in my kitchen for a few weeks, but oh well. Over here I have pop-up books. It says pop-up. Because, like I said, there were lots of collections that I used to collect, like the frogs and the pop-up. And there's a lot of stuff from my store. And then you have this, another suitcase that we don't need at the moment. And look at this. So this is what it looks like now. So a few days ago there was just the wall of boxes, and now I have all of this. This was all in my mom's attic. And I need to get rid of it. So in here I have lots of boxes with boxes. These two piles are just boxes you use to ship stuff. It's a shame to throw out, so I'm gonna see how many of these I still need, and the rest I'll figure it out. So that's a whole pile of just shipping boxes. That's the stuff I had in the attic, and that's a lot of that stuff is in the boxes as well. You know, just things you need for a store. And then of course a lot of collection stuff. Here I have my wind-up toys, and but in here there's all kinds of stamping stuff and wind-up toys and just some boxes with stuff. I have no idea what's in there. Anyway, yeah, so this is what I need to clear out. So let me show you from this side of the kitchen. So this is my kitchen now. That's, by the way, paper that needs to be thrown out, but the paper bin is full. They're gonna empty it this afternoon, so it can go in the paper bin. And guys, before you, I donated lots and lots of paper to a school and to friends and to, so I'm gonna donate the big bit, but the rest is all paper that needs to go. And also, guys, my book, I'm gonna throw out my own book. I still have loads of these. I wrote this book. together with a friend. And yeah, I've got lots left, but you can't buy these things anymore, and nobody wants to buy an old book. It's, I don't know, how old is it? When did I make this? I made this, look up, when I was this young. So that's been a while. 2002. Yeah, it's been a while. So what do you do with stuff like this? I held on to this. I've got 2 of these piles for, my gosh, 20 years. Is that 20 years? Okay, for almost 20 years. My gosh. So, yeah, this has been 20 years. Time flies. Anyway, so I held on for this for about 20 years. And, yeah, you need these sheets of paper to make these, and nobody wants to buy this book. So I have to just throw it in the paper bin. That's just weird. You know, stuff like this. Okay. So today I'm gonna start with this afternoon. That is gonna be gone. So that's just gonna be suitcases in my kitchen and all of that. Oh my goodness. I've got so much to do. And of course all of this. But we can manage. I've been here before. 2 years ago. No, it's never been this bad, but okay. The cat doesn't mind. Because I was going to start with that pile, and that's where the cat lives, where she loves to be. Hey, Putty Cat. Yeah. So you can stay there for a while, because it's gonna take a while before I reach those boxes again. So she loves to sit on top of the boxes, because, you know, she can look out of the window and check out her kingdom. Right, Rowan? Hey. Yeah, okay. Okay, guys. Boy. Rowan, I don't know what to say anymore. So, guys, that's it. That's all I'm gonna do today. I'm not gonna declutter today, except for, of course, those. That's quite a lot. If I can get this gone, that would be nice. Okay. Right. What? Meow. So guys, that's actually what I want to share with you today. It's not a very happy video, but I just wanted to explain and actually share with all of you, my lovely viewers, what's going on in my life at the moment, and why there are so many boxes in my kitchen again. And also why I haven't uploaded for a while. You might have noticed I haven't uploaded for a while. I just didn't feel like crafting, and I hope I feel like it's soon. I still have 2 videos pre-filmed that I filmed in the beginning of this year that I'm gonna upload, well, next week and the week after that, but we'll see what happens after that. So I'm going, poof, you're getting heavy. I'm going to share those with you. I still have lots of Alice in Wonderland videos, because I think I have filmed 6 of them now. It was a really nice distraction to film those. So yeah, I've got lots to share with you yet, but just not that many craft videos anymore. But I want to try and do that again, and otherwise there's going to be declutter videos, lots of them, because as you saw, there's lots to declutter. I'm gonna stop talking now, because I don't know what to say anymore. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, thumbs up for you. And guys, I want you to know I appreciate you so very much. You leave such sweet comments, and I've got so many YouTube friends now. I like to call you my YouTube friends. And thank you all for watching my videos, and yeah, I'm gonna stop now. Thanks for watching. And all that's left to say is, groetjes uit Holland. Greetings from Holland. Bye. And the kitty is back in her box. Hey, am I waking you? This is where she loves to sit. Okay, well, you can have this for a while, because this is gonna stay here for a few months while I do all of this.